Hello everyone, this is Saheli again. Welcome to my channel. Uh, in the last videos, I was discussing about list comprehensions, different methods of list comprehension, and what is concatenation of list, repetition of list, what is membership, how it is done. So I was discussing that. This video is in continuation of that only. Here I'll be discussing all the remaining methods of the list and with the syntax. So it is going to be a very useful video. So before moving forward, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and I always I'm very eager for your comments, and if you need any technical queries, please comment me and I'll be more than happy to help you in that regard. So thank you, and now let's move forward. So this video is in continuation of this Python list, and as I was discussing about list, so list the features of the list, and most of the like syntax, like list comprehension, how can we iterate over a list, how, what are the list membership, these I have discussed in the previous videos. So uh, I request you to, if you don't if you haven't seen those videos, please view those videos for your full like it will give you a clear idea about the list as a whole. So as I was discussing, uh, uh, in this here I'll be discussing about some important functions which are available in this. So as we all know that list is mutable, that means the values of list can be changed, the values assigned to list can be changed, unlike many other uh, data types like tuples. So here, and for that reason only, list has the most number of functionalities, built-in functions. Most number of built-in functions are available for list than than say tuple dictionaries and all. So now let's see the first function, which is append. So list name, then dot, then append, then the name of the value which is going to be appended. So what it will do is that it will append that value at the end of the list, and you can add. So using append function, you can add any value, any name, any it can be number, it can be alphabet, so anything you can add, or you can append, rather you can append at the end of the list. So the position will be at the end of the list only. So if I run this, you can see that here you can see that tulip is added at the end of the list. Now let's see list how, what is the syntax of insert. So what I'm doing is that I'm inserting a value. So here the syntax is entirely different. In case of insert, we have to give the index number followed by the value which are going to be inserted, and here I have to it have, like, you should remember that the indexing starts from zero only, in all the cases, like in all, in the as in case of array, or in the case of say tuple dictionary, even in case of, like, in case of list also, the indexing start from zero only. So I, in the first case I have to, so you have to calculate the index number. It is the index number, not the order, like order of the element. So you have to specify the index number followed by the value. So here what it will do is that it will insert this value at this index. So you can see that if you run this, you can see that as that at that position marigold is inserted, and it not just overwrite it, just insert that value at that position. So at position number at index 4, it is marigold is inserted. Now let's see what it does, like L2 and extend L3. So L2 and L3, Yeah, yes. L2 and L3 are the two lists which I have created using list comprehension. I have shown you the how it is done in the previous video. So here I am using extend method. So I just want to show you what is the syntax and what does extend do. So L2 is the syntax is that the source list name dot extend dot bracket within bracket the destination sorry the destination list name dot extend within bracket source list name. What will it will do is that it will add list L3 at the end of list L2. So if we run this, you can see that list L3 is getting added as the at the end of list L2. So this is the syntax. Now if I want to remove any element, so the syntax is that list name dot remove followed by the name of the value which I want to remove. So here I want to remove marigold, so it is list one remove followed by the name of the value. So here the marigold is getting removed. You can see marigold is getting removed. So in the here I am creating another list. So the with the this I have already shown, I think. Now let's see what does pop do. You can see that the syntax is entirely different from that of remove. Here pop remove the last element of the list. Pop remove the last element of the list. Like here I am removing one element. I am giving like list one list name dot pop, so it will remove the last element. That means tulip is getting removed. Tulip was the last element, so tulip is getting removed. Now the next function is del. Del list one. What does it do? Del will delete the entire list. Del will delete the entire list, and if I delete the list like here, you can see that list 1 is not defined. That means I have deleted the entire list, so list 1 is not defined. This error message is coming when I want to print the list, because this list is no longer there. And what is clear do? Clear will empty the list. Clear will empty or delete all the element of the list, but the list structure will present. See, it given one the empty list. So the list structure is present, but all the elements are removed. So this is the difference between del and clear. So del remove the entire list with the structure, and list clear removes only the element present is the list but not the entire list. Similarly, what is the difference between remove and pop? Remove will remove the specific element mentioned from the list, and pop will remove the last element from the list. Similarly, what is the difference between append and insert? Append will insert an element at the end of the list, whereas insert will insert an element specified by the index number. It will insert the element at the specific index only. So I hope I can make you clear all these list methods, and in the next videos I'll be mostly discussing about a new topic, that is tuple, and if some of the list features are there, I'll discuss that also. I hope you like my video, and finally, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like and comment to my videos. Thank you for cooperation. Bye bye.